Hello all. Today I'll be showing you how to add ASP.NET MVC core to an empty ASP.NET application. So we will start with File, New Project, if I could select it correctly. And then I'll be selecting ASP.NET Core from Vim project. I will just select the right folder for this one, which is this. Select folder, and I will just call it Hello ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC. That's it. I'll just say enter. I'll select empty here because we want to start from nothing in the solution to an working ASP.NET MVC application. So I'll hit enter. So it is creating the necessary to including necessary stuff to run the application. I'll just close this one and we'll go to view and solution explorer. So this is what we have. We have very plain vanilla ASP.NET MVC application. What we have here is a startup class, which is an entry point for ASP.NET ASP.NET Core, and then we have program.cs, which actually configures the ASP.NET application. So most of our work will be in startup CS, but before that, we need to install a few plugins or NuGet packages that will enable us to run ASP.NET MVC application. At this moment, if I try to run the application using F5, what I will end up seeing is hello world. That's it. Now, how this is working right now is, let me just quickly close it. How it is working right now is uh, if there is no middleware configured for now, it will fall back to the app.run and it will just write hello world into the response and return it. So we won't want to do that. We want an ASP.NET application working. So let's do it. The first thing I will do is I will go to NuGet Package Manager and manage NuGet packages for this solution. I will go to Browse and I will install Microsoft ASP.NET Core MVC. So this is the package that I'm going to install to make sure that ASP.NET MVC is installed on this project. I will select my solution. At the time of recording, it was version 1.1.2. So I'll just say install. What this basically does is it installs the necessary binaries that are required to have ASP.NET MVC support in the application. It has successfully installed it. I won't be doing anything else. I won't be installing any other library as of now. So once I'm done installing the NuGet packages for a package for ASP.NET MVC, I need to tell my application to actually start using it. The way it is done in ASP.NET MVC Core is through starter.cs. Starter.cs is nothing but a entry point for your application where you can configure different middlewares. So earlier we used to have uh, HTTP modules and global.asx where we can configure some part of our application, but now ASP.NET MVC Core has moved way ahead of it. Everything right now is installable through NuGet packages and is available as a middleware. So all we have to do is to say services dot add MVC. Once I'm done with this, I need to start using MVC. So as I said, we won't be using this default return response. I'll just delete it and I will say app dot uh, use MVC. One more thing that I need to do. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use MVC with default route. So it will search for a home controller and index action on that controller. We can customize and give a different controller and different action, but I will park that for a later video. So let me quickly add necessary stuff. We can do it the easy way, but let us start by having everything created manually. So let me add controllers. Let me add folder for model, rather models, and let me add a folder for views. I'll be adding a plain class home controller. I won't be adding a controller right away. I won't be adding controller here, but I'm going to add a class because adding a controller does more than what we need. So I'll just call this as home controller. All I need to do is inherit this home controller from a controller class, which is available in the Microsoft AspNetCore.mvc package. So that's done. I need to add a public view result index action to it. I'll be returning a view from here. Now once I reach here, all I need to do is to add a folder here, which is home. So I will just call it as home. And into that, I need to add a view called as index. So I will say add new item, MVC view page, index.cshtml. It's already there. So let me just add it here. I'll just select this HTML5, I believe. Okay. So it is hello MVC, and I will print h1. It is not picking that. H1 hello from ASP.NET Core. Once we done that, let us just run our application. And if everything is correct, we should see hello from ASP.NET Core in the um, Chrome window. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. I will add more videos in the future which will help us understand ASP.NET Core in more detail. Thank you.